Okay, good morning, my dear respected students. And today, again, we are supposed to begin with the concept of formulas in Excel 2013. And this is our second class. And hopefully, my dear respected students, after this class, I'm supposed to discuss, or I'm supposed to share some assignments or answers of some questions with you, and you all are supposed to write the same in your computer notebook. But first of all, you all are requested to kindly write down the syllabus of periodic test 1, and then only you are supposed to begin with the content of writing question and answers. Very good. Kindly concentrate. I'm just begin with my content, my dear respected students. First slide says, as we are begin with from a circular reference from today itself. Kindly consider, kindly concentrate. A circular reference occurs when a formula refers to its own value. अब इसका example देखिएगा please. It's my humble request. This is a content which is there on the screen. Okay. And my dear respected students, can you please type the address of that particular cell which is been underlined? Very good. Jaldi se. Chat box में मैं wait कर रहा हूँ. What is the address of this cell which is there in red box? अरे वाह. A2. Very good. Great. And now what happened? This is the A2. And second cell, which is to be considered as a A3. But what we are going to do here, in the third cell, what we are going to write is, we are going to write is equal to A2 plus A3 plus A4. Why I have mentioned this A4 with a yellow and a big font? That which cell, the cell where we expect the output of a cell of A2 and A3, I include that cell also within a formula, and it's again and again they are supposed to add that number in a circular way, and that's why it is to be called as a circular reference. मेरे बच्चों मेरी बातों को ध्यान से सुनना. Kindly concentrate on the practical session. I'm just going to move towards a practical session here. The address of that particular cell which says A2. सब लोगों को नजर आ रहा है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को? Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. The address of this cell is considered to be as a A2. This cell is to be considered as A3. When I'm just going to click on a A4 and I'm just going to write it as, or we are clicking on that A2 plus A3 and hit the enter key, they give me a perfect result. That is a 3000. Okay, no problem with that. But what happens if we are going to write it as A2 plus A3 plus A4? A4 is a cell where we are writing a formula, and when we are going to mention that particular cell inside the formula and we are supposed to hit the enter key here, what they display careful, we found one or more circular reference in your workbook that may cause your formula to calculate incorrectly. ये आपके फॉर्मूला को इनकरेक्टली कैलकुलेट कर सकता है. Why so? Because in that cell we are supposed to display the result which is being considered as a part of the formula, and in such case, remember this thing, this is very important. In such case, the value which is being displayed by Excel is to be called as a 0. And how we are going to check that particular formula or that error? For the same, we are supposed to click on the formulas. हमने click किया the tab which is the formulas, then click on a formula auditing option, and then there is a error checking. Click on that arrow, and here it is the option circular reference, and it says $A $4 is representing that in this cell there is a circular reference. जिस बच्चों को, जिन मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई हो, they are supposed to mention yes in a chat box. Be quick. मैं सबकी वेट कर रहा हूं. सबसे पहले दीक्षा का, अरे वाह, संत सिंह, वाह वाह वाह, अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह, मैसेज आने शुरू, वेरी गुड, फ्लड फ्लड जैसे पहले आ रहा था, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू डिस्कस हियर, kindly concentrate, again we are moving towards next slide. My dear respected student, kindly concentrate. Here it is on page number 11, on the bottom of this page. One practical time is there, and it's my humble request that you all are supposed to do that practical at your home. And next thing which is there on a page number 12, my dear respected students, and that particular is to be called as a cell text formula, that is to be called as a text formula. What it makes sense, सबसे पहले समझने की कोशिश करिए, what is the meaning and what will be the constraint of a text formulas. A text is a sequence, ये एक sequence है, एक क्रम है of a characters. एक क्रम में अगर characters को लगाया जाए, then it is to be called as a text on which we cannot, very carefully remember this word, we cannot, हम उस पे नहीं कर सकते. सर क्या नहीं कर सकते, चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए क्या क्या नहीं कर सकते, जिन लोगों को नजर आ रहा हो. In text we are not going to perform the following. अभी तक मेरे पास चैट बॉक्स में आंसर नहीं आया, अभी आएगा आएगा आएगा. अरे वाह, फिर दीक्षा सबसे पहले सबट्रैक्ट, अरे वाह, हर्षवीर देखो कितना इंटेलिजेंट है, उसने सिंबल डाल दिए. Very good, very good, very good. This is to be considered as a common sense, as it will take more time for typing the text. We are supposed to mention the symbols which gives us a quick response. Very good, thank you very much. और जिन लोगों ने टेक्स्ट भी लिखा है, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं, बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही है. Very good. Now concentrate here. What we are going to do here, it's my humble request, kindly listen carefully. Joining strings are called as concatenation. दो स्ट्रिंग्स को अगर आपको ज्वाइन करना है, that particular concept is to be considered as a concatenation. Concatenation. What we are going to do here in this example, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. It says first name is a Kavaljit, which is there in a cell A2. Second cell having a value Singh, that is a cell which is B2. And when we are going to add these both, and for addition of a text, or when we perform a concatenation, if the perfect word we are selecting, the concatenation, the symbol which we are using is a ampersand. Ampersand, which is there in a third option, A2 ampersand B2. And now we are going to perform this as a practical. Kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. I am just going to mention here Hara Sha Bira Sa Gu. Sagu sahab agar kuch galat likha ho to maaf kar dijiyega, it's my humble request. Okay, now what we are going to do, because as we know that when we are going to perform any kind of formula, we are supposed to insert a equal to sign, and after that click on this Harshbir, and now the address of that cell is representing. Then there is an ampersand or an and symbol is representing. Then we are going to click on a Sagu. The cell address is B2. And what we are going to do here, we are supposed to click on a enter. And what happened here, there is a text which is combined, and this is to be considered as a concatenation. But यहाँ पे ना एक प्रॉब्लम है, कोई मुझे डिस्कस करेगा? कोई डिस्कस करेगा मुझे? नो प्रॉब्लम. कोई मुझे बताएगा हर्षबीर सगू के बीच में कुछ आना चाहिए था पर नहीं आया, वो क्या चीज थी? जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्सेस. अरे वाह, अकाल से मर मेरा बेटा, वेरी गुड. देयर इज अ स्पेस, वहां पे लिखा है नो स्पेस. सर काइंडली टेल मी दैट हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू इंसर्ट द स्पेस. ओके, डबल क्लिक ऑन दैट, and after ampersand symbol we are supposed to insert a double quote, and again double quote here, and then again click on a enter. Again click on a enter. Okay, this gives a error, no problem. Here it is ampersand again. मेरे बच्चों मेरी बात जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा, it's my humble request, it's my humble request. अभी जरा देखिएगा, अभी स्पेस नहीं आएगा आपके पास, but kindly concentrate. The address of cell 1 ampersand, double quotes and double quotes close. What we are going to do, we are going to give one space in between these two double quotes. Then there is an ampersand or and symbol. And now we are going to click on a enter. And now I think so, my dear respected students, there will be a space. Now just tell me in the chat box yes or no. Jaldi se bataiye, jaldi se bataiye. I am waiting. I am waiting. I am waiting. I am waiting. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. अच्छा, wait for one more thing. Okay, if you need more space, then there is no need to insert it again. Give a space, press a space bar. And now again, what we are going to do, we are going to click on enter, and there is an ample space in between Harshbir and Sagu. What happened now, if I am going to mention Kavala, Jita, and here it is a Singh. In spite of writing formula in this cell, we use the function auto. Type in a chat box. मैंने auto बोल दिया है, उसके साथ कुछ ऐड करना है आपको जल्दी से. फॉर्मूला को हम नीचे कैसे लाएंगे? ऑटो. अरे वाह सविनय कुमार जी, ऑटो फिल. अरे वाह एशलीन. तुषार चुंबर जी, मेरा फेवरेट. वेरी गुड. This is when we are going to drag this towards the downside, it says that Kawaljeet Singh. And if you want to reduce the spaces again, delete the space and again autofill. Now the content is supposed to be displayed on the screen. जिन लोगों को मेरी ये यहाँ तक की बात समझ आ गई है, chat box में फटाफट yes type करिए. Yes type करिए. I am expecting that you are going to give me a yes. Okay. ये किसी ने TES कर दिया. टेस्ट नहीं है भाई, यस करो. अरे वेरी गुड. जब सब लोग रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं ना, देयर इज अ फ्लड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सेस, देन द पावर विद इन अ टीचर इज गोइंग टू बी बूस्ट अप हो जाता है. वेरी गुड. नाउ काइंडली कंसंट्रेट टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन. माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स, it's my humble request that kindly concentrate. It's very important. Okay. Mathematical operators used in a formula. Here it is the list of mathematical operators: exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And now the order of evaluation is also supposed to be mentioned here. यहाँ पे order of evaluation है, सबसे पहले exponent, फिर multiplication and division, फिर addition and subtraction. अब एक और important चीज देखना. If order of evaluation is same, then solve from left to right. इसका मतलब है अगर मेरे पास multiplication और division या फिर addition और subtraction same step पे आ जाएंगे, then we are going to solve it from left to right. Kindly concentrate on a practical. There is a practical. What we are going to do here, it is we are supposed to type a value, my dear respected students, that is a 4. Then we insert a plus symbol here, then we 5, then multiply by 2. Just any clue that what will be the output of the same. Kindly remember the previous slide which display the hierarchy जो display कर रही है. Just give me your responses in a chat box. अरे वाह, Sharanjeet Kaur. Very good. Sharanjeet says, sir, this is 14. Himanshi is saying 18. No, Himanshi, it's not like that. I think so. Jasmilan, correct. Very good. Harshbir, correct. Okay. Now kindly concentrate. When we are supposed to hit the enter key here, it says 14. Why so? Why it is supposed to be returned 18? Because here it is, first of all, 5 multiplied 2 is going to be sorted out, and it says 5 multiplied 2 is a 10, and then it is supposed to be added with a value that is a 4, and it says 5 multiplied 2 is a 10 plus 4 is a 14. Okay, can I add one more thing here? I'm just going to divide it by 2. Now just tell me the output. फटाफट. अब देखिएगा जरा. In a chat box, I am waiting for your responses. And now remember, because both multiplication and division having a same hierarchy, so we are supposed to sort it out from a left to right. 5 multiplied 2 is 10. 10 is supposed to be divided by 2. 10 is divided by 2. And then we got 5. And then 5 plus 4, it says 9. Very good. Some students are also writing the wrong answer. Hardik Kapaji, no problem, no problem. San Singh ji 7. No issues with that. But you remember this thing. Then when we having a same hierarchy, we are supposed to use that particular from left to right. And when we are going to hit the enter, we got a value that is 9. Very good. Great. Again, we are moving towards my presentation part. Kindly concentrate. And those who are able to understand, they are giving me an option that is a yes. Type in a chat box, yes or no. Very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm waiting. Arre wah, arre wah, arre wah. There is a flood in a chat box. Himanshi is typing a box. No box is required here. Only yeses or no is required here. Thank you very much. God bless you. Error results, which is there on the page number 14, 1414. My dear respected student, this one is very, very, very important, and you are supposed to concentrate on that. First, table is there on page number 15. Here it is table 1.3 on your book. Error number 1, there is a hash. What is the reason behind this? When we see this such kind of error in Excel sheet, the column is not wide enough to display the value. Column itna width में नहीं है कि वो उस value को display कर सके. Sir, give me a practical demonstration for the same, in spite of discussing in such a way. Okay, today I'm just going to write here 12. After that 04 date 2021, and what I am going to do when we are going to click on any of the other cell, it says hash. What it makes sense that the cell is not wide enough. When we click on the top of that cell and I am just going to stretch the width of that particular cell, automatically that particular error is going to be reduced. Increase the cell size and they display the perfect output. जिन लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आई हो फटाफट से मुझे एक बार चैट बॉक्स में बता दीजिए. Very good. Yes or no? I am waiting for your responses in a chat box. Very good. Very good. Arre wah, arre wah, arre wah, arre wah, arre wah. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Next kind of error, which is there on your book, that is a divide by zero error. There is a symbol div divided by 0, but it makes sense. This is very much clear, my dear respected students. When we are supposed to divide a particular number, for example, I have mentioned here a 15, no problem, and after that I have mentioned 0 here. What we are going to do, we are going to write a formula. A1 is divisible by 0, and when we are going to click on that enter symbol, it says that divisible by 0 error, which says that we are not supposed to divide a value with a 0. That's why such kind of error is supposed to be displayed on the screen. अब मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को, जो मेरे बच्चों को ये वाली मेरी एग्जांपल समझ आई हो, वो यस टाइप करिए चैट बॉक्स में. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, क्या बात है. Divisible by 0. Yes. God bless you. God bless you. ठीक है. Next example, my dear respected students, or next type of error, n/a. Remember this thing. This is very much clear here. No value available error. We are looking forward for a value, but value is not available. So this n/a itself says this value is not available. How? We are going to do this in a practical demonstration. For example, I have mentioned 15 here. Here I am just going to mention n/a, which says value is not available here. And here I am just going to mention 25. After that, what I am going to do, I just want to perform an addition here. Give the address of that particular cell, give the address of that particular, and whenever we are going to hit the enter key, that A1, A2, and A3. But what happened here, my dear respected student, as nothing is there in cell A2, it makes sense that this is to be display an error which says no value available error, because we are expecting a value in a cell A2, this cell, but the value is not there. That's why it display the error, no value available error. जिन्होंने को मेरी बात समझ आई हो वो जल्दी से गैस करिएगा। ये अकाल सिमर जी प्लस लिख रहे हैं, हट जाइए आप ये प्लस लिखने से। वेरी गुड, अरे वाह अकाल सिमर, वाई ई, ये एस भी डाल देता यार, इसको भी छोड़ गया भाई। ओके, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट। Again, we are moving towards a PPT part. Next kind of error. Very good. Very good. Next is num error, which says that this is a number error. This says a number error. And here it is. What happened? Kindly consider this error. It's my humble request with a practical demonstration here. Num error is there. What we are going to do here is, we are going to mention 10, we are going to mention 20, we are going to mention 36, we are going to mention 56, we are going to mention 4 here. And now I'm just going to type one formula here for finding a large. Kindly type in a chat box if my voice is audible. Great. Jaldi se type in a chat box if my voice is audible. Yes, it's audible. Great. Okay, what I am going to do here, I am just going to mention here a large, and after that I am just going to mention the range A2 colon representing a range, and here it is the last cell, that is a A6. And what I am going to do, kindly concentrate, I am just going to find a first largest number. First largest number, anyone which is supposed to give me a clue in a chat box, that is which one is the first largest number? Which one is the first largest number out of these values? Very good, 56. So I'm just going to mention here the 1 here and hit the enter key, and the output will be 56. Okay, and if we are going to mention here, as we have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 values, and if we type here the fifth largest number and hit the enter key, the output will be 4. But when we are looking forward for a sixth largest value, and my dear respected students, we don't have any sixth value which is there, then when we hit the enter key, it says this is a number error, that in this formula you are looking forward for a sixth largest value, but no sixth largest value is available because you have only 5 numbers. That's why it is representing a error which says num error. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आई हो वो यस टाइप करिए चैट बॉक्स में। यस सर, क्लियर। शरणजीत जी, इसका मतलब शरणजीत को ये समझ आ गया कि we having 5 values, and out of these 5 values we can find only fifth largest number, but how we can find a sixth largest number? And in such case they display the num error. Very good. Next one is, again I am just moving towards my PPT section. It says error result, ref error, ref. Kindly consider ref reason invalid cell reference. It means reference का मतलब address of a cell. अगर आप किसी cell के address की बात कर रहे हैं and that cell address is not there, then it says a error. Again, there is a practical demonstration, my dear respected student. It says 10, value is 20, value is 30. What I am going to do here, I am just going to click here, double click, sorry, is equal to symbol. A1, that is a 10, click on A2, that is a 20, then click on A3, that is a 30, hit the enter key. We get the desired result, that is a 60. but what happen if we are going to delete this second row? I'm just going to delete that second row and it shows reference error. Why so? This is I having a value of A1. I don't have the value of this particular cell because previously I have the address of that particular, but now only the address is supposed to be deleted from the user and I don't have the address of that particular cell. That's why it display that this is a reference error. जिन मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को समझ आ गया होगा यस करिएगा, यस करिएगा, यस करिएगा. अरे वाह, यस सर, डन, वेरी गुड. मुझे तो तब अच्छा लगेगा. It's perfect for your teacher when you all are doing on your systems and respond me that sir, I have done this activity, I have saved this activity on my system and I am sending you. You can check this that I have done with this work. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. वेदांश ने पहले लिखा नो, फिर लिखा ये, फिर लिखा नो सर. अच्छा सॉरी. No, sir. Okay. Vidhansh ji, when we are going to delete the address of a particular cell, which having a value previously, and then only we delete that, then it will display a reference error. And my dear respected student, this video is available for you all on your official YouTube channel. Whenever you want to see this video, you can watch, no problem at all. Again, next, last kind of error which we are going to discuss here, that is a value error. Mere beta, that is to be called as a value error, and it says error in value. Error in value. Sir, kindly give the practical demonstration. Kindly give the practical demonstration. Okay, I'm just going to click on this value section. What we are going to do here, 10, again 20, again 30, again 40, and here it is. I'm just going to type the formula here. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus. Then they display the output as 100. But what happened when we are going to change the value of 20 from 20 to AB, 20 to AB, and in that case, when we are going to hit on the enter, it says value error because it says that I am capable of adding 10 with 30, I am capable of adding 30 with 40, but sorry to say that I am not capable of adding 10, AB, 30 and 40 because we are not supposed to add alphabets along with numbers. That's why it says that this is an error which is supposed to be displayed on your screen. मेरे बच्चों, जिन लोगों को समझ आया हो, टाइप इन ए चैट बॉक्स. अटेंडेंस फॉर्म की चिंता मत करिए हार्दिक आपा जी, आप सिर्फ समझने की चिंता करिए. दैट कंटेंट इज whether you are able to understand, yes or no. Yes sir, solved. अच्छा, मुझे लग रहा है कि चरणप्रीत साहब के साथ सिस्टम पे सॉल्व भी कर रहे हैं. अरे वाह, सब अच्छे लोग हैं भाई, मेरे जैसा तो एक आधा ही है कोई यहाँ पे. चलिए, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. Okay, my dear respected student, I think so that I'm supposed to turn off this meeting as time is over, and hopefully you all are supposed to do these practicals, and today I am just going to share one assignment with you also, which you are supposed to do in your notebooks. But before that, it's my humble request that you all are supposed to fill the index, and then you are supposed to write the syllabus, and then you are supposed to begin with your content. Thank you. And